Every strong building begins with a solid base, and for this project, we are constructing a Raft Foundation. The process starts with excavation, where we dig carefully to the required depth and layout. This stage is all about precision, creating the right platform that will carry the entire weight of the structure above. Once excavation is complete, we move to blinding. This thin layer of plain concrete provides a clean, stable surface and separates the reinforcement from direct contact with the soil. It's a small step that makes a big difference in the life of a structure. Now, this is where engineering comes alive. The steel reinforcement is arranged according to design. Every bar tied, bent, and positioned with precision. The network of steel forms the skeleton of the Raft Foundation, built to distribute loads evenly and resist settlement. It's a blend of skill, focus, and teamwork. Well, with reinforcement in place, we move to concreting. Fresh concrete is poured carefully and spread evenly across the entire raft. It's the moment everything comes together. The steel, the blinding, the formwork, all locked into one solid mass that carries the entire building weight. Finish, we use an electric vibrator to remove all air pockets and compact the mix. This ensures the concrete bonds perfectly and hardens into a dense, durable slab built to last decades.